Hi guys, doing a car video today. Just a quick one for a comparison before and after putting in wheel spacers using 16mm wheel spacers. I looked on YouTube beforehand, couldn't really see many before and after videos, like lots of videos talking about wheel spacers, pros and cons. I'm not here about that. This is just a simple video to show you what the difference can be between not having spacers and moderate size spacers. Right, enjoy.